In this question, if f of x equals 3x squared and g of x equals 2x plus 1, then f of g of a is equal to. So this question is a little bit like, and I'll just start with a nice easy example. This is just like going f of 2. Where you see an x, you put a 2 in the function. So that would be 3 times 2 squared, which equals 3 times 4, which equals 12. So the thing that you're substituting in this time is another whole function, and this actually, f of g of a is actually a composite function, which is really just a function substituted into another function. That's all it really is. So f of g a, or f of g of a, is going to be f of, this is the g function, so I'll actually do the first step. So f of g of x is equal to f of the g function, which is 2x plus 1. So all you have to do is in the f function, where you see an x, replace it with this whole function. So in the f function, that's just 3x squared. So that's going to be 3 bracket, and now sub this in for that x. So that's going to be 2x plus 1 squared. I could have actually put, no, that's fine. And then here, make sure you expand the brackets before you times by 3. So that's really 3 times. And then expanding the brackets using the a plus b equals, or squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared to expand this. So first term squared will give you 4x squared. And then it's 2 times the first term, whoops, that was supposed to be 2x. So 2 times the first term, 2x, and then times the last term, 1, and then plus 1 squared. And then that's 3 times, or 3 bracket, 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So this is not quite writing properly today. For some reason, timesing everything by 3, you end up with 12x squared plus 12x plus 1. And that's the answer, except it's supposed to be g of a, and I've done g of x. Alright, so I'll finish this off by going, therefore f of g of a would be equal to just replacing those x's with a, so 12a squared plus 12a plus 1, and that looks like none of the answers because I forgot to times that one by 3. So make sure you don't do that, and I'll just fix that up. So that was a fairly major mistake, which I do my best not to do when I'm doing these videos. So 3 times 1 is 3, and then that would be 3 here. And now that's the correct answer. So yeah, B is the answer for this one. So once again, when you are doing or finding a composite function, like subbing one function into another, just like I've done here, all you're doing is replacing the x in the original function, which was here. You're just replacing that x with whatever the other function is, and then just expanding the brackets if needed. If it's multiple choice and all the answers are in expanded form, then of course you would have to multiply it all out. So that's how you do this type of question. And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.